Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to play Magneto in Marvel Rivals. If you want to dominate the battlefield as Magneto in Marvel Rivals, here's your ultimate beginner to pro guide on how to use the Master of Magnetism like a true menace. Firstly, the role is Vanguard, tank with damage potential, defensive frontline bruiser with high AoE burst and shielding. Also, it's great for players who want to protect teammates and still dish out powerful attacks. His abilities is Iron Volley, which is fire slow orbs that explode. Metallic Curtain blocks all frontal projectiles. Mental Bulwark, which protects his chosen ally. Iron Bulwark protects yourself. Mag Cannon consumes iron rings to fire a powerful shot. Now, use Metallic Curtain to lead team pushes, shield teammates to build iron rings for Mag Cannon, Magneto slow, so stick with your team and don't wander alone. To maximize Iron Volley, use it at rage. The further it flies, the bigger the explosion. Think of it as a zoom-in tool, not just direct damage. With full rings, Mag Cannon knocks back and melts low health enemies. Use Metal Bulwark plus Iron Bulwark to farm rings before big fights. For the Meteor ultimate, use when enemies cluster together, on point, near cover or during choke pitches. Absorb projectiles to increase power. Don't hold it too long, it can backfire and damage your team. The hero you need to pair with is Scarlet Witch. Scarlet Witch's Metallic Fusion gives you a Chaos Energy sword, faster attacks, higher damage, and perfect for punishing flakers like Spider-Man or Star-Lord. If your team has Scarlet Witch, sync ultimates for a deadly combo. And that's it guys, Master Magneto and you'll control the battlefield like a true X-Men legend. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.